Let's go to camera swap. As you can see, he's filming my iPod Touch, and I'm filming with this camera. This is the public element. We cannot get off here.
This is at Westfield UTC.
That was loud.
It's in really good condition.
No, it's not even modernized. It's a weird.
Yeah.
And for him, it's using a retake. So I already have a.
This is a retake for you too.
I know.
But this is God only knows how many retakes.
Let's get off at I.
Okay, good
Is
idea.
it
I used to know what it means. I think it's in here actually. It's going.
Oh, that's coincidence.
Look in the mirror.
Where?
You see.
I see.
What's up?
Holy shit, we're stopping.
It's I. It's really fast.
No, let's get off at LL, then we can't get off there because we're. I thought I was lower level.
Yeah, that's ADA compliant. You switch with me. Okay.
Holy shit, this elevator is messed up.
No, I bet someone probably called. Let's just want to get out.
Come on in.
Oh, are you going down?
Yeah.
What floor are you going to?
We are going to the
Lower level?
lower level.
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Yeah, okay.
It went up when we got on too.
Oh, I was like, is there any other floors? Oh, what's the I, the intermediate? Actually,
That's what I was.
do we need to go to I?
I
don't know.
It doesn't matter because it's a hard way getting to the rest of the mall.
Oh,
Yeah, it's.
we have to go up one.
Oh,
we
we
have
have
to
to
go
go
getting off
up
here.
the stairs.
Have a good one.
And the doors closed.
And that's it.